Hello, I am Anand Gopalakrishnan and welcome to the sixth video about Python. In the previous lesson, we learned about the basic operators of Python. In this lesson, we will be learning about two of the built-in functions of Python, input and type. So let's jump right in. Imagine you have to log into your computer. You have to be able to give the computer the information it needs by entering or typing it in. In the same way, the input function of Python lets the user enter information into the computer which can be stored for later use in a variable. The input function is a built-in function of Python. For more information about built-ins, see lesson 4. The text in the parentheses is called the prompt. It is basically something that gives a hint to the user about what you want them to input. Here is a clip that shows how the input function is used to get data from the user and then store it in a variable. The type function of Python is also a built-in function. It returns or gives you the data type of a particular value or variable. For more information on data types, see lesson 3. Here is a clip that shows how the type function is used to get the data type of a value. Well done! You made it through your sixth lesson about Python. In the next lesson, we will be learning about some more Python operators. So I'll see you next time, and don't forget to like, comment, favorite and subscribe. And also, don't forget to see my other videos.